If you're looking for storage bins, I thought these were super cool. So my sister actually got this for my nephew. So she got 6 of them. This is what it looks like. I just like the way that it looks, like they're all white. And I know that when you usually get storage bins, like they have a variety, but you know, a lot of them are like the clear, just typical ones. But I thought these were neat. Like you just can't see inside of it. My sister has them actually labeled, some of them, and then I think some of them are just lit, but she does have them all labeled. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. They're actually really wide. The depth of it is really good too. So this one has like board games inside of it. So if you imagine that, and then you can see all the board games that are inside of it. They're actually like hard plastic too. I just like the fact that you can't see on the inside, that they're firm, and then the lids stay secure on it as well too. There's just some games in there that's like making it lift up. But another cool thing about it is that it has little handles on the inside. So there's like this little part where you can hold it on the inside, both on the left and the right. But yeah, if you are looking for storage bins, these are really nice. I like the way they look. It does hold a lot.